Hi, we proceed with the tutorial video for URC 2022 self-learning practice. This is the level number 7. The level number 7 will teach you on how to steering the robot using the servo motor. Okay, in this level number 7, the robot design is changed to motorcycle, right? Motorcycle, which is we use this servo motor to steering the robot, but to move your robot, we still use the DC motor. The servo motor is only for steering the handle, or the movement of the robot. Okay, you can read one by one the tutorial, so I will teach you straight away how to write the program. Okay, this one, as you can see here, the map is in the U shape. Right, try to write the program for this one first. Okay, moving forward, how to write the program of the motorcycle. Alright, here you cannot see that there is another one DC motor because we only use one DC motor and one servo motor for this level number 7, or we can say that the design of the motorcycle, right? One DC motor and one servo motor, and then give the power and give the direction, and then how many seconds, okay, how many seconds that you want your robot to move. And don't forget this one, the servo motor, this one is actually before you put a weight block. Okay, this one is what we call it as the steering of the robot. Okay, the steering of the robot. 0 means that the steering is now in a straight condition. Okay, in the straight condition, this one 0, and the weight block for this distance just use 3.5 seconds, and then don't forget to brake. For the motorcycle, it is advisable for you to use the brake for each junction because it will make your movement of the robot will be smooth and straight. Okay, so this one 3.5, you need to brake, and then before you move back, please give the weight block another one weight block, and once you brake, you need to put the power. Okay, this one we will turn to the right side. Okay, turn to the right side, still use a servo motor for steering. The right side, this one, the L shape, I will just put 24, because for this motorcycle, the degree must be lower. Okay, not more than 90 degrees. Okay, we only use 45 or below. Okay, this one, how many seconds for moving to the right side is actually just put less than 1. We need to check whether it is correct or accurate. This one 3.5 seconds forward. Okay, the steering must be 0 degrees. Okay, that's why your robot is moving straight, and then it will turn to the right side. M1, turn to the right side, and then this is the number of degree that make your robot to moving to the right side. Okay, it is depending on the degrees, and also this one start time frame. Basically, this time frame is not too much. I mean, the number is not too large. Okay, we can use less than 1. For example, 0.5. This one 24 is just nice to turn your robot to the right side. So just try to change the number from the smallest number to almost, or the maximum is 90 degrees. I mean 45 degrees for this handling. Okay, so this one. Next, what should I do is moving forward. Okay, moving forward. Once you brake, you need to put a power. Okay, I want to delay the movement after this because I want to give the brake for 2 seconds. Okay, and then I will proceed with the next power. Okay, power 100 CW, and put this handling because I want to go straight. then the degrees must be 0. 0 is a straight. Positive value here is turn right, and negative value will be turn left. Negative means that you have a minus signs in front. Okay, this one, 0, 0, it will be 2. Let's say that I want to estimate this one will be 2. 2 second. Okay, 2 second. This one, 2 second. And then we need to break. Okay, we need to break. And then once break, you need to turn to the right again. So give the power. Before you give the power, please make sure that there is a weight block in between break and a new power. And then moving forward, but this one just now will be 90 degrees or 45 degrees is okay. Okay, the maximum is just now I said 45. Okay, actually the maximum is 90. Sorry. Okay, the maximum is 90 here. Okay, the maximum is 90. Try to put 90 degrees. Okay, this one also you put 2 seconds. Make it a long break before you start the new power. Okay, this one in 90 degrees. 90 degrees, just put 0.5. 0.5 second and then break. And let's see what happened to the movement first before we proceed the programming. Okay, turn right and moving forward. Okay, and then turn right. Okay, so you can see here. Okay, as you can see here, the servo motor here is not straight because I already changed to 90 degrees. So that's why if you want to move forward, this will be 0 because it will going this side. So your robot will go straight. If like this, it means that this one is just turn 90 degrees, turn to the right side. If you want to go forward towards the portal door, you need to use the next programming, which is the moving forward 0. Okay, 0 power. 0 degrees of handling or steering value. And this one is brake. Don't forget to brake. Okay, the brake maybe this one, the distance is 3.5 seconds. Okay, so you need to make sure that, okay, and then you need to understand the concept. If you want to move forward, the handling values will be 0 degrees. Okay, and then if you want to go to the right, the value here must be positive number, which is for example 50 degrees, 70 degrees, 45 or 24 or 90 degrees. Okay, the negative value will make your robot to turn to the left side. Okay, this one, okay, just try the value, and in between the brake and the new power, you are suggested to put a weight block with more than 1 second. Okay, so that your robot is ready to go to the next, to use a next power to move. Okay. Oops, sorry, this one, because this one I forgot to put a weight block in between the brake and the power speed. This one too. Okay. It is advisable for you to use the value of 2 seconds in between the brake and the new power. See, 2 seconds, it will take more time for the robot to turn right. Okay, again, because just now it hit the alright, moving forward, backward, moving forward and turn right, and then moving forward and again turn right. Okay, this time turn right 90 degrees. See, it is now straight, and then the next one will be this 0 second, or this one. If let's say that you see the movement of the robot is slightly going to the right, then you need to adjust this. You need to adjust the value. This one, just use -1, -1 degrees. Just use a very minimum value of the degrees first. Okay, before you change, you add 111, something like that. Only increase the number by 1 degrees. Okay, so the last one, I changed the value to -1 to make it the robot slightly turning to the left and collect the energy portion here. Okay, actually this one you can change a -2 or -1.5 to make the robot is going straight back. Okay, so you need to adjust the number of degrees. Okay, for the motorcycle, you need to make sure that the angles that you use is correct. Okay, the value must be 0 to 90 degrees. If you want to go to the right, so it will be a positive value of the degrees. If you want to turn to the left, it will be a negative value of the degrees, and you want to move forward, it will be a 0 degrees. Okay, let's go to the next level.